Follow these simple steps to record Rakuten TV videos for personal use. Make sure to respect copyright rules and platform terms. Step 1. Check your device. Ensure your device supports screen recording. Windows PC, use Xbox Game Bar or OBS Studio. Mac, use the built-in screen recording tool, Command plus Shift plus 5. Smartphones, use the built-in screen recording feature in Control Center, iPhone, or Quick Settings, Android. Step 2. Open Rakuten TV Log into Rakuten TV and load the video you want to record. Step 3. Start recording on Windows. Press Windows plus G to open Xbox Game Bar. Click Start Recording. On Mac, press Command plus Shift plus Mouse 5, choose Record Entire Screen, and click Record. On mobile, open Control Center, iPhone, or Quick Settings, Android, and tap Screen Record. Step 4. Save the recording. Once done, stop the recording. It will automatically save to your device. Step 5. Edit. Optional. If needed, use video editing software to trim or enhance your recording. Quick tips. Ensure your device is set to Do Not Disturb to avoid interruptions. Always check for legal permissions before recording. That's it. Enjoy your recorded Rakuten TV videos.